His head's so squished and long.
It'll round out.
Yeah.
He's been head down for a long time.
He has.
Oh, you can see his
Little veins.
no,
His
it's
skull.
his skull.
Aww. Look how sweet.
That's what you want. Yeah.
You are rattling. Goodness sake. Is that why you're supposed to scream?
They have great hamburgers downstairs.
Oh, I'm alright. Don't tickle your foot.
He had breakfast from down there.
Don't tickle.
Okay. Did you check him out for breakfast?
Someone else gonna have to wrap him back up.
It'll work.
Oh, got a little bit of blood on him.
Certainly didn't take as long as it could have. That's for sure.
Yeah. Does it cry when you
Shoot.
do it?
It wasn't in the right spot.
Yeah, he's just good.
He looks pretty content right there with the lights. He's like, okay, this is warm.
Put your hand under here.
I did when I was holding his fingers.
Like hanky baby.
Yeah.
Maybe part.
He
Well,
looks
it's still
like
wet.
Eric to me, kinda.
Yeah.
It will. So I'm just gonna put this blanket in there, okay?
Okay.
Because it didn't fit. What'd you name him?
We have it.
You haven't. You're a different baby than what I held. I'm sorry.
Snowy's out.
He's getting like thinner
Yeah.
and like
Yeah. The
Less
pediatrician said his head
roundish.
is swollen.
Oh, his head's so
He has-
long.
It is long. Look.
it wasn't even a stroller. I don't know what this thing was.